In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to day trade for beginners on Etoro. If you've ever been curious about the exciting world of day trading and you're ready to dip your toes into the market with Etoro, you're in the right place. We'll take you through a simple, guided journey to get you started. First, let's head over to Etoro's official website. Open up your web browser and type in the URL to visit the Etoro homepage. Once there, you'll see that Etoro is a powerful platform that combines stocks, crypto, and ETFs all in one convenient app. But before we get carried away with all the exciting possibilities, let's get you logged in so you can explore it for yourself. On the Etoro homepage, direct your eyes towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. Give it a click and a login page will appear. Enter your login credentials here. If you're already registered, simply input your details and proceed to access your account. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to sign up, but don't worry. It's a straightforward process and Etoro walks you through the steps. Once you're logged in, it's time to go home. In this context, I mean the Etoro homepage, not your actual home where your long day began. This is your base of operations, where you can manage your portfolio, explore markets, and more. Find the option labeled Home on the site and click it to land on Etoro's home base. Next up, we're diving straight into discovering new opportunities. Click on Discover, which will open up a world of market data and potential trade options. Browsing through these various options is a great way to get a feel for what's available and to tailor your investment strategy to your preferences. When you're ready to focus on something specific, move over to the Explore Global Markets section. Here you can find instruments from numerous markets around the globe. This is where your analytical skills come in handy as you evaluate different markets. Consider factors such as market trends, recent news, or company performance to inform your decisions. Now comes a crucial part of the process. Analyzing the market. This is where you dig deeper and make informed decisions based on current data. Pay attention to market signals, understand price movements, and consider using tools provided by Etoro to perform technical analysis. Finally, it's time to put everything you've learned into action. Open a trade by selecting the asset you are interested in. Review your analysis. Set the parameters for your trade, which might include the amount you wish to invest and any stop loss or take profit limits. Then confidently execute your trade. There you have it, the essentials of getting started with day trading on Etoro. With time and experience, you'll become more proficient in navigating the platform, making your investment decisions with greater confidence. Remember, every great trader starts with learning the basics and builds from there. Happy trading!